So I wanted to put this video together, but I wanted to tell you my experience on what happened with my JB4 install on the Ram RHO. So I switched connections, not knowing it, not paying attention, because there's not really clear instructions on how to do this. So make sure that when you're connecting these together, this is the air intake, and the colors should be brown, green, and red. Now the throttle, which is down below this, you can almost get to it from the wheel well, but I got to it taking this off. If you take this off and this off, it just makes your life easier. You're gonna have to take that off. So if you look at the wheel well, let me get the light. I think it's easier to do it from the engine bay, but it's right there. So that's the connection right there. So those are the same connections as the air intake. So when I did it, I put it all back together and it wasn't starting. And then I switched them and it worked fine. So just make sure that your brown, green, and red wires are for the intake, and then you can't mess up anything else. So the manifold, which is right underneath here, that one, you can't mistake it. So it only fits on that one. So just, I'm gonna let the rest of the video play, but just make sure that you make note of that. Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video on the JB4 tuner for the Ram RHO. So it's kind of frustrated because there's no clear-cut instructions. There's some videos on YouTube, but doesn't pinpoint where the exact connections are. So I'm gonna tell you and show you where they are. So for ease of seeing everything clearly, I took off the top and I took off my airbox. So here is my tuner right here. And the connection for my airbox, which is what I'll do last, is right there. So I just tucked that out of the way. Now, one of the hardest ones is the pre-throttle, which is, let's see if I can get this exactly. Sorry. So if you look down from your airbox, right, and it's right down there underneath this hose, it is right there. So I haven't taken it out yet. You can get it through the wheel well, I've heard, but that's the throttle. The manifold is that little connection right there. That one. Let me see if I can touch this. And sorry, it's like deep in there. So it's that one right there. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out so you can see exactly where it is. It's basically like right, you can't see it because it's hidden, but it's right under the middle. So that's where that one is. That's it. So those are your three connections, and then your fourth is running through the firewall for your Bluetooth, if you have that. I purchased it. So that's all of them. So take your throttle. Your throttle is going to be down in here. Your manifold is right there, and then your air intake, which is last, because you'll do that when everything's put back together. And then if you have the Bluetooth module, basically just run it through your firewall, come through, run it in, and you can put the tuner wherever you want. But for me, I just wanted to make sure of those two connections. So it's relatively easy. It's just knowing exactly where those pins are, and there's nothing as of right now that shows exactly where they are. So for the Ram RHO, this is a 2025, first year they made them. Those are the connections. So hope that helps you guys. Then if we go on the driver's side, I fed it through. You just got to scoot back the grommet that's in there. Right there. Just scoot that back, feed it down all the way, and then I'm going to zip tie this so it's not loose. And then if you go underneath, directly underneath your truck, you'll see it. And then you can just take it, put it up in the engine, and zip tie it, and you're good to go. All right, so we are all done with the install, and I thought I would just start this up just to kind of show you guys what it looks like. So I'm going to start the car, and So car's on. Once the car's on, you can hit connect. There it goes. Okay, so right when I started it the first time, I had a software update. So it was nice because it just started up, told me I had an update, updated it, done. So I am on map 1. I went to go test map 1, and it was so much fun. For the hell of it, I put map 2, and it's dumb. Like, it's crazy. So I'm going to have a lot of fun with this thing. But you can do logs. You can look at codes, a whole bunch of that stuff. So it's kind of nice because it looks at your boost and everything. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I will for sure be doing 0 to 60s, quarter mile, all that stuff. But just kind of wanted to show you guys the install and everything, and how it goes. It's a lot of fun, and it's pretty crazy the power that this thing produces. So look forward to showing you guys more, and stay tuned. I'll get that out for you guys.